Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to go live in Facebook. To do that, open the Facebook application and then get logged in. So open the Facebook profile of yours. Tap on the profile icon. Once you're at the profile page, you scroll down and in the post, you will have these options: live, photo, live event. From this option, you need to tap on live, tap that. Allow Facebook to take pictures and record video, tap on allow. Allow Facebook to record audio, tap on allow. Now, before you go to the Facebook Live, you will have the option to choose whether you want your flash to be on or off. You can rotate your camera, that is back view or your front view. You can choose the stickers as well from here. There are effect option as well. You can choose the effect that you want on your Facebook Live. And you can also add text over there. So once all is done, you have the option to add a description as well, what this live is all about. Once all the process is done, you tap on go live and within 3 seconds you will be live. Now you can go live as long as you want. Once your live has been ended, you will have the option to post your live as well. If you want to post it to your friends, you can choose the privacy options like public, friend, friend of friend, and you can tap on post to profile, or you can choose to delete it. Tap on recycle bin icon. If you delete the broadcast, you won't be able to share it or return it to later. Tap on delete. With this, the live will be deleted. If you want to post it, you can post it right away. So this is how you can go live on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.